Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to add or edit your website on Instagram on Android. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms, and it's a great way to promote your business or personal brand. Adding a website link to your Instagram profile can help you drive more traffic to your website and increase your online presence. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap Links, then tap Add External Link to add the URL for your website. Step 4. Paste the link to your website in the provided space. Step 5. Tap the check icon to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added your website link to your Instagram profile. Now, anyone who visits your profile can click on the link and go straight to your website. If you need to edit your website link, simply follow the same steps and make the changes you need. It's that easy. One thing to keep in mind is that Instagram only allows you to have one clickable link in your bio. So if you have multiple websites or pages you want to link to, you can use third-party tools like Linktree or Linkbio to create a landing page with all your links. In conclusion, adding a website link to your Instagram profile is a great way to drive more traffic to your website and increase your online presence. With just a few simple steps, you can easily add or edit your website link on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.